Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to get voice chat on Roblox without ID. So first of all, you want to go to roblox.com, then you want to press on settings, right there. On settings you want to choose privacy, content and maturity, and then content maturity. Then you want to choose moderate or restricted, because if it's mild it will not work. After you've done that, you want to go back to account info, and you want to make sure that your email address is verified and also your phone number is verified. So you want to go ahead and add your phone here and verify it. Then you can go back to privacy and content maturity, press on communication, and on communication you want to choose voice chat, and you want to enable the microphone. So if it's turned off, press enable, consent, and enable it. You launched a Roblox. You want to press on Roblox icon at the top, go to settings and find your input device, and you want to choose the microphone you want to go ahead and use, and also choose a volume. And now, as you can see at the top, if you would press, it would work like a voice chat. So that's pretty much it. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.